it looks much better. You can actually see through the window now. Interior is clean, and even the headlight things move back and forth. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to be showing you how to wash your Hot Wheels. Yeah, that's right, wash your Hot Wheels. Now, you know, a lot of times you go to garage sales, yard sales, or even, anywhere that you find loose Hot Wheels, or any other die-cast, but, this is Hot Wheels TV. They're dirty. They got mud in them, they got sand in them, they got all kinds of stuff in them. And a lot of people always ask me, how do you clean Hot Wheels? Is it okay to clean Hot Wheels? Of course it's okay to clean Hot Wheels. These things are left outside. Kids play with them. They're left in the rain. Yeah, you can get them wet. The only thing you have to worry about is if you have something that has a paper sticker or a paper decal on it, if you put it in the water, that paper is going to come off and you're not going to have it anymore, okay? But the tampons and everything else on these are waterproof. First thing you got to do is get yourself 2 buckets. You can do it in the sink if you want, if your wife lets you. I'm outside, so you know the answer to that question in my house. I got a small bucket with some Dawn detergent. That's what we use, the dish soap. A little squirt of that, a little warm water, and you're all set. I got a bigger bucket with clear water to rinse it. I got a toothbrush kind of thing. This is, got this like at Harbor Freight, a whole bunch of them for $1. It's not too soft and it's not too hard or too stiff. You can use toothbrush if you want. All depends on what you want to do. So I got this one here. We're going to take this Corvette. I'm going to dunk it in here a little bit. We're going to take it and we're going to go back and forth. And always, you can get the wheels, get the base. You want to get the windshield. But you don't want to scrub really hard. There's a chance that if you really do scrub really hard, you might take some of the tampo off. But I'm just going to go back and forth on this and make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies. Put it in there. Put it in here. Don't tell my wife I got one of our white towels, but yeah, that's what you got to do. And this looks so much better than it did earlier. There's no dirt in it anywhere. All right. So put it over here, let it dry off. Now I found this redline, and it's pretty dirty. Let's see how well it comes out. By the way, I got that redline for 50 cents at a yard sale. And all you got to do, like I said, just get it wet enough. Make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies. Get inside that interior there, And man, this thing is looking better already. Look at that. You never know what you're going to find at a yard sale or how much somebody's going to ask for it. The first thing I ask is, what do you want for it? If they ask me, well, what's it worth? And I got to tell them, because I'm an honest guy, But if I go up to them and I see a whole bunch of cars sitting around in a box and it says 25 cents each, I take them. I'm not going to argue, So here we go. The window on this thing was terrible. The wheels were terrible. Rinse it off. Dry it off a little bit, And it looks much better. You can actually see through the window now. Interior is clean, and even the headlight things move back and forth. So here we go. One of our red lines for the collection for 50 cents. Color changers. We might even get to see this thing change color. Now, color changers have been a pretty big thing past year or two now, and everybody's looking for them. You know, there was one time you couldn't give these things away, and now everybody's going bananas looking for them. So the Porsche 911, cleaning it all up nice, and you can shake the water out of it. Like I said, you know, you're not going to hurt it. A little bit of detergent, and there it is. Looks great. Now, other things, you know, you always get in these trucks, and I like them. You know, I like anything that hauls a car, and but they're always dirty because kids play with them outside. And I always said, you know, you can't love something unless you play with it, especially when it comes to toys. When you're going to buy some toys, put them up on the shelf, how are you going to love it? You're not playing with it, you're not going to love it. It's like all cars that I've ever built. Every car I've ever built, I cried when I delivered it. Every car I ever bought, didn't care about it. But you got to play with it, you got to work on it to be in love with it. And it's with anything else. You buy it, don't mean nothing. Put it up on a shelf, it don't mean nothing. So, but this, man, this cleaned up really nice. That's another thing too, you know, you never know where these things have been. And when kids come to my house, they play with stuff. I got, you know, Hot Wheels to play with. So I'd rather be nice and clean, and usually I end up taking it home anyway. So I'd rather they take home and play with a clean Hot Wheel than a dirty one. That's as easy as it comes, right there. Okay? So there you go. That's how you wash your Hot Wheels. A little bit of soap, 2 buckets, a little toothbrush, clean them up, dry them off. You're all set. So, until the next time we meet right here, well, maybe inside at Hot Wheels TV. Maybe we'll see you somewhere else. Yard sale, Walmart, even a toy show. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.